Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you how to set up directory privacy in cPanel. So before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and let's get started. I'll log into my cPanel, and under cPanel you have to find this setting here, that is, under files you have this option called directory privacy. Just click on this directory privacy and this will take you to the directories, and under public_html I have a directory by the name my folder. So select the directory that you want to set the privacy, set the username and password, and just click on edit button over here, and here make sure to check on this password protect this directory and click on save. Now wait until you get this confirmation, click on go back, and here you'll have to create the username. For today's demonstration I'll create a username and confirm the password, and once you set the password click on save, not required, and you can see that the password is set for this user and this directory is now locked. If you go back to your directory setting, let me go to cPanel and go to directory privacy once again, and if I go to public_html, so there you go, you can see that this directory is now locked. In order to access this I have to enter the username and the password, and that's how you can set up directory privacy in cPanel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.